What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Monday, March 12th. And if you didn't know, the Richie Ruckus Sneaker Things Boy Meets Sneakers collection drops today at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Not sure what time this video is going up, so you may be a little bit late to the draw. But if this video goes up in the afternoon, you still may have a chance to grab not one, but two different Sneaker Things Boy Meets World tees. So I know I haven't been on the channel as much as I like to and as much as I usually am. You know, as you guys know, me and Nyasia recently moved. I am in my brand new sneaker room. I am no longer sharing space with Nay. As many of you guys know, she's a makeup artist, and like kind of half the room was dedicated to my sneakers. The other half was dedicated to her equally impressive makeup collection and like all her stuff for being a makeup artist and doing stuff like that. So it was really rough sharing that room. I'm still in the process of setting everything up. All the sneakers are obviously set up already. If you guys have not checked out the sneaker collection video yet, I will link it into this one. But like everything's starting to come together. With the little bit of downtime I've had, you know, I've reflected on the channel, trying to come up with some new cool concepts to do with you guys. And I'm going to be uploading regularly again. You can expect 5 videos a week from your boy once again. And we're going to still do, you know, pickups and unboxings and reviews and just general discussions. But during this downtime that I've had, I dove into sneaker customizing a little bit more. As you guys know, I did that Ultraboost 3.0, which was essentially a huge L I took on that custom. I feel like this new custom came out pretty good. Before we jump into this Jordan 1 custom, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel. Make sure you hit that thumb up if you're feeling this video. And follow your boy on all social. So we got the Jordan 1 box here. And as you guys know by the title and description of this video, I decided to jump into the off-white Jordan 1 customizing that a lot of people have been doing. But I didn't want to go the traditional route. I didn't want to just do the Chicago colorway, which is what Virgil did and which is what a lot of people have been emulating. I only did one shoe for the sake of this video, but we got here a pair of the Reverse Fragment Soar Blue. It's pretty much a play on the fragments. It's part of the Jordan 1.5, the Return series. So it's got that Jordan 1 upper and it's got the Jordan 2 midsole. So here's the OG. Put that guy right there. And then here is the custom. We got the Air on the midsole like Virgil does. We cut the top part of the collar loose like Virgil does. I put some neon green laces from a pair of my Chris Paul shoes that I had years ago. Kind of did something a little different with the tongue logo. Kind of flipped it over and then re-sewed it so it's like upside down. I thought the tongue actually, the logo, the tongue tag actually came out pretty good. But when I was in the midst of doing this, I obviously took the swooshes off of the inner part of the shoe. And I was like, you know what? Like as much as like, this is still a work in progress. I'm obviously not done with these Jordan 1s. But when I was doing that, I was like, you know what would be a cool custom? And like, it'd be pointless, it'd be wasteful to throw away them swooshes we took off of the inside of the Jordan 1. So then it led me to this idea, and I think these came out great. And I'm not just saying that to like gas myself up. I think as far as custom goes, I'm probably the worst person in the world. But I do feel like this custom actually came out pretty cool. So on to the next one. We got that Jordan 3 box. I feel like everybody who has these Wolf Gray 3s hates them. And like it was like weird. Like people were constantly customizing these when they first dropped. They were blacking them out, turning them into other Jordan 3s that, you know, people missed out on. But I figure, why not just throw a swoosh on it? So here we go. I took the swooshes off of the Jordan 1.5 returns, threw them on my Wolf Gray Jordan 3s, and suddenly I got myself a pair of the Tinker 3s in that Wolf Gray colorway. I thought they came out pretty dope. The swoosh is a little bit off. I'm probably going to have to mess with that a little bit. And I may actually think about painting these. But I thought they came out pretty dope. You know, as far as like my first time, like, you know, semi-deconstructing a shoe and then, you know, using parts for another sneaker. I may do other stuff with these, you know, just keep the custom going. Let me know what you guys think. I know the Jordan 1, you know, is still a work in progress, and like at this point is like, you know, kind of like what else can you do with a Jordan 1 besides like painting it and, you know, making it look more off-whitish. I thought these came out dope. I've actually worn these twice already since I did the custom. Like I said, it just, with not vlogging for the past, you know, 2 weeks, it was just really, really hard for me to, you know, get footage up with moving and stuff like that. But leave comments down below, guys. Let me know what you guys think of the new Wolf Grey Tinkers that I made. And don't forget, the Sneaker Things Boy Meets Sneaker collection drops today at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, RichieRuckus.com. But until tomorrow, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
New Tinkers. Who this?
Holla.
Richie Ruckus